So friends, again, thank you so much for overwhelming response to my website banktechskills.com. I think number is increasing beyond my imagination, and YouTube views and subscribers are also increasing. So that convinces me that really I'm adding some value to most of you and all of you. And do share it. Do like my Facebook as well as my Instagram page of banktechskills.com. I'll be sharing 4 or 2 as per the response guys for a free 30% discount on fees, right? Otherwise I've kept the cost very cost benefit analysis, means no profit no loss, just how I can make more contribution to your growth as a banker. So again thank you, and please do give your feedback जरूर दीजिए अपना, जो भी आपका सजेशन है, कोई टॉपिक है, even besides, because Finacle I think I have covered each and every topic, and every bank slightly may differ due to customization, otherwise basics remains the same, right? So that will give you basic idea and confidence to work in the branches and the counters. So do give suggestions on any banking topic, any sales and selling techniques, any insurance, mutual fund, whatever you want. I'll give you the best possible practical as well as academic content for your growth, right? Now we run a validation run, right, in the zone. So first we open the zone HMICZ, then we mark the instruments HICTMO, then we run a validation report for this particular zone before generating the, so in case there is any shortfall in balance or whatever is there, the system displays inquire on maintenance inventory clearing zone criteria screen. As soon as we type HMICZ, so this was used for opening the zone also plus validation run also. So type it on the shortcut hand, click on go. Function select V. V is for validation run. Run zone date, zone code, again click on go. Right, so this is how you run V application, zone date, zone code, and Sol ID wherever you're working. You get this report. System runs a batch program and generates a report which can be viewed using HPR. Either you can print it or you can view it also. That will show you what all instruments are falling short of balance. They are to be marked rejected, right? As soon as you submit here, don't have to enter anything transaction. Nothing has to be entered here. Just submit. You get this. The batch job is program is run successfully. Now you have to generate the report through menu option HPR, right? So this is the report generated. So here it is written here. Account number 1. I'll show you here. Already carved. 50,000 check already carved. Second check of rupees 1,42,500 could not carve as negative carving is not allowed. And friends, again remember, in case if the balance is short, system will not mark a negative carving. It will not post the instrument. That's all. It won't negatively carve. Negative carving is not allowed. And third is instrument rejected due to any reason, signature or whatever it is, right? So this report has to be viewed through HPR menu option after running HMICZ. V, that is validation report. This will show you what all instruments have been carved, rejected or not carved, negatively, and negative carving not allowed, right? Every time a modification lodge instrument is done, the zone validation run activity has to be performed. Remember this. If you modify any instrument, any amount you have entered wrong, anything you want to pass it, any customer has deposited the money, any modification lodge instrument is done in the zone, validation run has to be performed each and every time. Remember this, right? So this is how validation will run. Then I'll show you how to suspend the zone and close the zone, right? So friends, as you can see, opening of the zone HMICZ, validation run HMICZ, and suspending of the zone. We can suspend, we can unsuspend if any instrument is to be added later on. So the menu option is HMICZ. Only HMICTMO is for lodging of instruments, right? So how we suspend the zone? We just have to choose suspend and click on go. Zone date, zone code is there, and we have to suspend. Choose option as suspend. You can unsuspend also for posting any instrument if it is remaining to be posted here. Invoke menu option HMICZ by entering the same in menu shortcut and clicking on go. System will display a maintained inward clearing zone criteria screen. Function choose as suspend, enter the zone date, zone code, and click on go. System displays the screen, right? So this is how it appears, right? So you can see here, this is the screenshot, and system displays this result screen means it has been suspended here, right? Always remember these commands menu options, and this has to be suspended, or we can unsuspend also. Then after finally instruments have been cleared, we have to close the zone also, otherwise it will reflect a long list of zones requiring to be closed, right? So this is all about how we have to suspend the zone, right? And this was suspended successfully, right? Now I'll show you how to close this zone, because it is the same as we are suspending. Menu option is the same, so I have added in the same video here itself. So first we open the zone, we lost the instruments, we ran a validation run, we suspended the zone, we ran the validation run, and we closed them. Now we'll close the zone, right? So friends, closing of the zone, same command, only option you have to choose is Z. Z is for closing the zone, right? S for suspension, U for unsuspension of the zone, right? V for validation of the zone. This has to be done. Only HSITMO is for posting or lodging of instruments in the clearing zone, inward clearing. Now again invoke the same menu options, right? Use invoke menu option HMICZ by entering the same in the menu shortcut and clicking on go. System will display maintain inward clearing zone criteria screen, right? This is here zone date, zone code has to be entered, and click on go. This again screen appears here. This is the first time when you enter it. You have to choose Z, that is close the zone. After instruments have been cleared, zone should be closed, right? So again the same screen appears which appeared while we were suspending the zone. Now here it will show you the zone closed, whereas in prior to suspension it was showing zone suspended, right? And submit. This is how zone is closed, right? Now in next video I'll show you how to mark inward or outward clearing returns, right? I'll explain what is carving, what is rejection regions. So this was the third video on inward clearing. I hope you liked it, and again I'm reiterating, my website has a live video on all these things. You will really love to go through them. That will really add a lot of value to your system, right? So this is how you can generate a report also HPR ke jaake, right? System generates a report which can be viewed or printed using HPR menu options, right? So this is the report that generates. Note the system has created the TRAN ID. This is for charges entry. So any charges are to be levied, their TRAN ID has to be noted down and has to be posted. You can also inquire the zone status, whether it has been closed or not. So just choose the option I, inquire, and you will get the status of the zone, whether it is suspended, unsuspended, closed, unclosed, whatever it is, right? So here you can see, you'll get this all these details here, right? So this is a particular account we are viewing this, right? So reject reasons, you can see here insufficient balance. So whatever you give, I'll show you how to reject the instruments in my next video. There are some menu options, kindly note them down. When you open the zone, HMICZ. When lost the instruments, upload, mass upload, HRMI. So very rarely I have seen this. Lodging of instruments in the zone manually, HICTMO. Then we send through check truncation system, CTS, right? Verification of lodged instrument, HICTMO, same. Validation run, HMICZ. Return rejecting any instrument, either inward or outward, HICTMO has to be used, which are used for lodging of inward clearing zone instruments. Suspension, HMICZ of the zone. Posting of the zone, HMICZ. We have to post the zone also, remember this. And finally we have to close the zone. Now we also generate few reports. One is HPICW, that is clearing waste report. The schedule wise it gives us a detail how many banks presented the checks to us and what was their total amount, right? All the details are there. So you want to print an inward clearing schedule HPICW, and if you want to print a rejected checks details HREJREP. HREJ, that is for rejection REJ, and REP for her reports. These are some of the menu options I made it clear for you. So this is I showed you how to open zone and after closing the zone after posting on the instruments. Next video I'll show you how to mark returning. So friends, do subscribe, do enroll for my website, do like my videos, do press bell icon on my YouTube so that every time you get a notification you don't miss a single video. Also this will add lot of value. And knowledge banking is always changing. Keep on updating yourself, right? Do give your suggestions, feedback, any topic is to be added. Please let me know. I'll definitely make all out efforts to address all your queries and any points this thing, right? So again friends, hope you are having a wonderful time at my website and you are enjoying my YouTube videos. Do give me your vehement support. I think that will give me a lot of push to make your your journey as a banker more comfortable, more sustainable, more financially sound, and you rise and shine. And finally, keep yourself safe, keep your family safe. All the best. Thank you.